Hi, we just have launched the new version of our product SBE Connect, that is the 2.0 version, and major enhancements has been done in this version. So in this demonstration, I am going to brief you about this new enhancement. So let's have a look at the key investment areas of this version. Before going in detail, let me thank our trusted customers, partners, and prospects. Their suggestions become the key enhancements for the SBE Connect 2.0 product. Now, let me tell you what is SBE Connect. So, it's nothing but a two-way communication channel which transfers the most precious entity of your business, the critical business information like the customer details, order information, items, payment and shipping details, etc. So forget your manual entries and data redundancies and calculation errors due to the currency conversion. SBE Connect 2.0 will take care of all these and let you concentrate only on your business. Thus, it will save your manpower, reduce the human error, and improve the business's overall productivity. So now the question arises that why you should consider SBE Connect. So the reasons for considering SBE Connect 2.0 can be: SBE Connect 2.0 provides full automatic synchronization between the e-commerce and the ERP solution. You can configure the connector as per your need. SBE Connect 2.0 provides end-to-end integration between the two most flexible platforms available in the market, that is Magento Commerce and SAP Business One. It will support multiple e-commerce websites from the same SAP Business One company, and it is offered at the most affordable price for small and medium-sized businesses. These are the functional enhancements, performance enhancement, service-oriented architecture, and intuitive user experience. These are the key investment areas for SBE Connect 2.0. So let's look into detail of each and every investment area. As per the functionality, this product has taken a huge leap from version 1.0 to 2.0. Most of the existing features are improved or enhanced to cover up the uncovered integration areas. The major difference came in the product synchronization section, where now there are options to upload simple and many kind of complex products to the web. So these are the functional enhancement areas. We have enhanced the customer synchronization, orders, items, and shipping. In the customer synchronization section, as per the existing functionalities, web customer can register online. All these information will synchronize to SAP Business One Business Partner Master Data. Similarly, if there is any new or existing business partner in SAP Business One, that can also be uploaded to the e-commerce storefront. These are the added or enhanced functionalities. Now SAP user has the capability to upload SAP Business One business partners to the multiple websites of the e-commerce storefront, and also if SAP user can track each and every customer website from within the ERP business solution. As per the order detail, the existing functionalities where all the orders placed by the web customer will synchronize to SAP Business One sales order. Similarly, if there is any new or existing sales orders in SAP Business One, that can also be uploaded to the Magento storefront. And also, orders placed by the guest customer in the web is integrated to the ERP business solution. And as per generating the delivery invoice, delivery or AR invoice, the web order status is changed to shipped and complete. This is the added or enhanced functionality. Now the successful or failure online payment status will appear in SAP Business One sales order. And also, if there is any existing sales order placed already in Magento, at the time of integration, that existing sales orders can be downloaded from web to the ERP business solution. This is the third section where functional enhancement happen, the item. In the existing functionality, you have the option to upload SAP Business One items as simple and configurable product to the web. Also, any kind of update like stock, price, or item details in SAP will instantly reflect in the Magento storefront. These are the enhancements. Now you have the ability to upload SAP items as single, configurable, grouped and bundled product to the web. Also, you can upload SAP items to the multiple available websites of the e-commerce storefront. Also, you have the ability to download any kind of existing product, web product to ERP Business Solution, and you can set the special pricing from within your SAP Business One, and you can upload that special prices to the web. This will be reflected in the Magento storefront. The next section, the shipping section, where the existing functionalities were that shipping method selected by the web customer and the shipping charges calculated in the storefront will be integrated to the SAP Business One sales order. But with this new functionality, ERP user can now put the shipment tracking number in the delivery document of the ERP, and that shipping number will appear in the storefront. So web customer can track his or her own shipment, so he doesn't need to contact the business owner regarding the shipment tracking. As per the performance aspect, version 2.0 has taken into account the enhancement possibilities to provide one level up stability and flexibility. And the performance is enhanced due to the introduction of Web Services API in Magento Commerce site. These are the enhancements. Now data will be exchanged in real time more securely and without any data loss. Any product details update in the e-commerce storefront will now update ERP item details. And apart from available web attributes, SAP user can create some special attributes for specific items and can upload that to the e-commerce storefront. As per the architecture, this product has totally changed the architecture from the previous architecture to this service-oriented architecture section. Now data is exchanged using the most popular SOAP data exchange format. Also, we have used all the available Magento Web Services APIs, and also there are few APIs that are custom built for which there is no available APIs in Magento. There are some APIs which we have custom built for this application. The last enhancement area is the intuitive user experience. The total user experience of SBE Connect has been revamped with this new version. These are the introductions to this to the user experience. Now there is a dashboard functionality for the SAP user to get the look and feel, proper look and feel in the centralized integration monitoring system. Now SAP user can check the connection between the e-commerce web server and the SAP Business One server. Last is the benefits that you will get from SBE Connect 2.0. Smoother and safer data exchange by using Magento Web Services APIs and SOAP data exchange format. More integration touchpoints has been added, especially in the item section. More stability and reliability in data transfer. Revolutionized look and feel of the centralized integration monitoring system. Enhancement in the performance through real-time data exchange and increased user satisfaction in terms of usability. If you have any questions or queries, you can visit the FAQ section of our website www.sbeconnect.com. For any other details, please feel free to contact us through email at sbeconnect@insync.co.in. Also, you can call us anytime. The phone numbers are given here. All these contact details are also available in our website. Thank you for your time. I think you have enjoyed the demonstration process. Thanks.